Hello, YouTube. It's Bill Brady. Welcome back. So I usually don't do it like this. I usually do the investigation part first, but I'm gonna let you take a live look at a Mandela effect research investigation I'm doing into Paul Walker's car crash images. Now, alright, so this one's showing the car like well, here, let's just open it on up. Now, alright, so it appears like there's some kind of median, I guess, because this looks like a street and that looks like a street as well on the other side. Okay, but there is a hood up. It is red, and that's how it looks. Okay, now this one looks like this. So the hood's up. Okay, maybe there is a street over there, but it looks like there's bushes. Right? I don't see bushes over there. It would be the same side of the car because the steering wheel's there. The steering wheel would also be there. Right? Okay. Now, I see what looks like railing, maybe like metal rails, maybe. I'm not sure, but it's not what we're seeing in this image. See, that's like something different. Whatever that is not that. And we're not seeing the bushes over there. Like we see here. But it's always got the hood up. But other things change that shouldn't be changing. Now what's this? That doesn't look right. Let's go to the page. I mean, that looks like a cheap car. Look at that wheel. Okay, there's the car. What the hell's that, though? What are they showing us here? That's obviously not what they're showing here. The hell's that? Why would they put some completely unrelated picture in here? And what's that? What's all that jazz? What's all that business? That rail looks nothing like this. What the hell's that? We're not seeing that here. That railing. Or what the hell would that be? And then here, or no, here we don't see like another building over there. Like that doesn't look like if it is a parking lot, it's not. I mean, what the hell? So this is a very, very clear, undeniable Mandela effect. Like you can't just say that it's a perspective issue. You know, you can't just say that I don't understand angles, I don't understand perspective, I don't understand different camera settings. You can't use that excuse here. It just doesn't apply. But that is all for now. I'll do a little more research on my own, but let me know what you think down below.